lives. Without Iron Dome, we would have had to have a ground invasion of Gaza to stop them firing of missiles, and the casualty list would have soared to stratospheric heights.
The Iron Dome is often hailed as one of the most advanced air defense systems in the world, crucial for Israel's national security. It has intercepted thousands of rockets fired from Gaza and Lebanon, providing a critical shield that keeps Israeli citizens safe. But what if this vital system were to fail? In the absence of Iron Dome, the consequences for Israel would be catastrophic. Analysts warn that Hezbollah, armed with an estimated 200,000 missiles, would have the capability to target every corner of Israel. From bustling cities to rural areas, no place would be safe. The sense of security that Israelis have come to rely on could evaporate overnight, leaving civilians vulnerable to indiscriminate attacks. Imagine the sirens blaring across cities like Tel Aviv, Haifa, and Jerusalem, signaling incoming rockets. With seconds to react, families would be forced to flee to shelters, unsure if they would have make it on time. Local media outlets, including the Times of Israel and Haaretz, report that emergency services would likely be overwhelmed, struggling to manage the influx of injuries. The psychological impact of living under such constant threat cannot be overstated. Years of relative safety would give way to a climate of fear and uncertainty. Parents would worry about their children's safety as schools and playgrounds become potential targets. The emotional strain on the population could lead to widespread trauma affecting mental health for generations to come. A failure of the Iron Dome would not only lead to immediate civilian casualties, but could also escalate the conflict between Israel and its adversaries. Analysts suggest that Hezbollah would feel emboldened, potentially launching more extensive attacks. This might provoke a military response from Israel, resulting in a cycle of retaliation that could draw in regional and global powers, further destabilizing the Middle East. As tensions rise, the ripple effects would be felt far beyond Israel's borders. US and allied interests in the region would be put at risk, prompting military and diplomatic responses. Countries that support either side could find themselves embroiled in a larger conflict as alliances are tested and new tensions arise. The Iron Dome is not just a defense system. It represents a fragile peace for Israel. Its potential failure would plunge the nation into chaos, forcing civilians to navigate a nightmare scenario where survival is uncertain. As we continue to observe the situation, one thing remains clear. The stakes are incredibly high, and the need for a robust defense system has never been more critical.
Don't miss out. Log on to oneindia.com for more updates.